Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to Beautymagz channel. So in today's video, what we are going to do is a first impression on this product from BLK. And this is my very first product from them. Ito eyebrow pencil at may kasama ng mascara. So if you wanna know... So if you want to know my thoughts about this product and you want to see how I created this eye shape right here or my brows, then please keep on watching. So this is the BLK Universal Brow Sticks. There's two portions of this. First section or division, how you call it, is a pencil. And the pencil is like a triangular shape or like a teardrop shape. And the color that I got is taupe. And then the other side is the mascara. You just have to unscrew it. And so when you open it up, the brush is very tiny, very minuscule. Brush is very tiny, the bristle is tiny, and it's not long, okay? For me, this is going to be perfect for my brow, I believe. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so ito na. We'll see kung paano siya mag-work sa aking face. This is my brow. I have sparse brows. So you can see how my brows looks like, okay? Nothing much. I'm just gonna be doing a very everyday brows or on-the-go brows, okay? Nothing much since I'm going to the mall with Yan. And I don't want to be like too pack no. Yan is laughing right now. Okay, so I am not fun with how big it is. I am not used to a big angular shape. I am used to a very fine micro pencil. So this is going to be my first time and let's do it. I'm just starting from the bottom. Okay, just drawing a straight line. It's not waxy, it will grab a little bit or there is a grip to your skin when you're making or a line. Okay, the shape or the color is perfect for my skin. Okay, this is my line right now and let's see, filling up the brow. Okay. Easy to draw, I believe. If you hear a baby noise, that's Yan, my baby. Baby's in the background. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's it. Alright. This kit doesn't have a spoolie, okay? So I think that's the downside of this. Comb the hair. Okay, so it really washes off that product that I just draw. I'm gonna go over again. When I comb the hair, it washes off. So I'm gonna go over again. Okay. There's a tagging on the brow. It is not very soft. It doesn't glide easily, so there's a dragging. Okay, so you look at that. If you have a sparse kilay, this is what you're gonna get. So there will be a problem with filling up your... So you really have to go over. Okay. I'm not really liking it. I'm not liking it, guys. Okay. The tone is perfect. The color is perfect for my hair. I have very dark hair. So the taupe is very perfect. Only that I have to really go over and over again. Okay. See, the lines are breaking apart again. Okay, that's not really good. See, look at that. See that? Okay, just draw and then go over with the mascara, okay? So, let's try it. So, it's not really very pigmented. That's why you can go over and over. So, look at that. I'm not liking it. Mascara on the end. And it's very tiny, which I like. Alright, let's go over it. Starting from here, like those bushy brow. Okay, so it is okay, and it does leave a streak on that thing. Okay, now I need to go over with the concealer now, okay? So mascara. Okay, so I just messed up my brow. Okay, not really liking it. Okay, I'm not really liking it. It's very wet. Do a spoolie. Okay. Okay, like so. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up all this mess right here. Look at that, guys. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating nagawang kilay. So far, hindi ko siya type. My kilay, ang dumi-dumi niya. I'm just gonna be honest, hindi ko siya type. Kasi, you have to really go over the product. Kasi hindi siya pigmented, na super pigmented. Which is, kung beginner ka, okay lang siya. Pero, pag naglalagay ka ng naglalagay, the more you put a lot of product on top of each other, parang nagiging, ano siya, hindi siya, ewan ko, nagiging muddy siya, mahirap siyang i-blend. Tapos yung mascara niya, madumi. Is when you do your application, mahirap kasi nagiging, yung hindi siya even, okay, you just fill in your brow, right? So, pag naglagay ka ng mascara, ma'am, parang siyang ma-erase, tapos parang nagmo-move siya. So, instead of setting the brow in place, nagmo-move siya. So, hindi ko siya type na ganun. Para sa akin, mahirap siya na eyebrow pencil or eyebrow sticks. Maganda sana kasi nga dual, ano siya, diba? Dual purpose. Mayroon siyang brow at may kasama na ring mascara. Ako, mahilig ako mag-draw ng eyebrows ko kasi nga, wala ako masyadong brows, yung hairs ko scattered siya everywhere, so hindi ko siya type. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean up my eyebrow with a concealer and let's go over again, okay? Kung mariremedyohan ko tong kilay na to. Okay, alright, we'll see. So ito, concealer from Maybelline, okay? I will clean up my brows. Akala ko ganun lang, yung pak! Okay, on the go. I'm really looking for a brow sticks na magpapalit sa akin na sa L'Oreal. It's a micro pencil. Naghahanap ako ng micro pencil na local. Okay. Okay, maganda naman siya pag ano mo na ang concealer, okay? To dry ba siya? Nag-smudge. Okay. Wala namang transfer sa kamay ko, which is good. Okay. I'm gonna go over with a spoolie kung ma-even out ko ba siya. Okay. Nag-dry na siya. Okay. Okay naman. Hindi naman siya crusty pag nag-dry. So, okay. Fine. Kaso, pag naset mo na siya, hindi mo na siya mabablend. Okay? So, that is good. Kaya lang talaga, napaka niya. Meron siyang paring mga unevenness. Hindi talaga siya pantay. I'm gonna go over again sa niya, yung pencil niya. Pangit ng pagka-blend. Ang blending niya is very pangit. Ewan ko ba. Just gonna go over. Okay. Ayan. Just filling in the rest of the brow. My brows are already dry, so I fill in a little bit for those areas that are sparse. So it did work. Okay. So now it's looking better. Okay. It's looking better now. So the good thing is that even though it's already set, but you can go over. This one is still a bit wet. It's not yet fully dry. So the unevenness of the pencil or the color is, you can really see it has like a bulginess in this area right here. But I think when it's dry, it's going to be fine. Okay. Alright, I'm drawing it over on top. You still see that sparse area right here and unevenness, and the line on the bottom is not so good. Ito na yung nagawa kong kilay, and so far at the end result, okay naman siya. Okay, pero I'd be honest guys, nahihirapan talaga ako sa kanya kasi nga yung angular shape niya, hindi ako sanay sa ganoon na shape. Mas gusto ko yung pinong-pino or your micro pencil na it's so easy for you to draw a stroke on your brow. Ito, mahihirapan ka pag beginner ka, okay? So, pag beginner ka, I would not suggest using an angular like pencil. Mas gusto ko talaga yung natural lang niya, yung parang may yung volcano ba na point. Di ba? Ganun lang. Very simple. Pero pagbaguhan ka kasi nga you really have to know your way around the angle of the pencil, kaya nahihirapan ka. This is my completed makeup look. I'll be back in a few hours and I will let you know my final thoughts about this product. As you can see from this video right here, so the brows are still intact at the bottom, but on the other part of your brows right here, it moves. It transfer, okay, it smudges and it still holds its shape, okay, but it's not as the same like in the first application. You can really see the unevenness of the product on the brows because I have sparse area, so like the baldness here, the white like you can see from here that I have some baldness. There's no hair in there, so you can see that I'm up close and personal. The shape of my upper brow is, some of it are already gone, and maybe because I'm oily right now. So this is what my face looks like after several hours. It's 5 o'clock right now. I have this brow at 10:30. You need to be technical in a sense to clean up your brow line, especially here at the bottom line. So you need to know how to do it, and if you are a beginner, I don't think this is very good for you. Okay, just stick to a regular brow pencil. It does the work. Okay, start from there. For the price, since it's a little bit stiff for a student, a regular employee, anything like that, not. But if you are a makeup enthusiast, if you want to know what this brow is all about, you can try it for yourself. But personally, if you are a makeup artist and if you wanted to have a client on the go and you need to be fast on the job site, I don't like to recommend this. Okay, I would stick to a regular brow pencil. Longevity, it lasts. So my only problem with this is application and unevenness of the product. And there's also a tagging because it's not waxy. Okay, so that's it for my opinion about this BLK brow pencil plus mascara. If you like this video, please Like, share, and subscribe. Beautymagz here. Comment down below, okay? And so till then, this is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!